The scream of the saw, the sharp crack as timber gives way, the air thick with floating sawdust, that's not just noise, it's the symphony of precision at work. Stay tuned as we explore the fascinating process of joinery, transforming basic wood into incredible functional creations. Mind absolutely blown by what you just witnessed? Drop a comment below and let us know. Let's tally up how many minds we managed to blow today. Contemplating tree removal? Avoid leaving things to chance. A well-considered plan is essential for ensuring your safety and helping you save money. Whoa, did you catch that display? That Jeep simply refused to quit. Now that's what you call a contest of determination. This truck definitely has grit, and I certainly wouldn't dismiss it from the competition yet. Who really needs a bulldozer when you have a vehicle and some sturdy rope? This particular stump underestimated the power of basic physics know-how. It ultimately stood no chance. And just like that, boom! The storm inflicted severe damage upon the tree's root system, leaving it precariously balanced on an unstable slope with a high probability of collapsing. To guarantee safety, we employ strict protocols designed to keep individuals clear of the potential danger zone and avert any injuries. Let's evaluate the cutting precision of the Timber Pro. Observe the clean cuts, minimal knots present, and that perfect blend of power and maneuverability, delivering truly unrivaled performance. Listen, folks, working with trees is serious business demanding respect. A bit of careful forethought can genuinely prevent potentially lifelong negative consequences. So, let's commit to making safety our absolute top priority every single time we work near or around trees.
Well, it's loaded.
The Vermeer BC 2100 XL is revolutionizing urban forestry management, offering unmatched power combined with precision. Observe as it tackles enormous trees with apparent ease, ensuring both safety and efficiency within Sydney's busy urban environment. That was certainly a close call. It serves as a critical reminder that felling trees carries inherent dangers. Utilizing proper techniques and conducting thorough risk assessments are absolutely vital to prevent accidents. It is absolutely crucial for everyone to recognize that a clearly defined strategy and swift corrective action are vital to head off a potentially catastrophic result. Behold the Peterbilt 359, a genuine icon defined by its chrome and sheer raw power. Equipped with the legendary CAT 3406 engine, it's engineered for durability and designed to handle the most demanding loads. A true, reliable workhorse in an era of short-lived designs. What defines an excellent trucker? It involves much more than just driving. It requires sharp situational awareness, rapid thinking, and adept problem-solving skills. These professionals don't merely transport freight, they power the entire supply chain with a sense of pride and deep responsibility. Even highly seasoned professionals operating at the peak of their abilities remain vulnerable to making errors. This is precisely why a small measure of good fortune, when leveraged strategically, can become the deciding factor between achieving success and facing failure. Whoa, get a load of these individuals. Have you ever witnessed anyone maneuvering through the treetops quite like that?
Holy shit!
Here we see the Valmet 840.3 bogged down, with deep ruts clearly indicating the importance of proper terrain evaluation beforehand. Extracting it is going to demand specialized recovery equipment.
Как вот этому-то видюху показывал.
It genuinely seems like they were practically raised in the forest canopy. For real, someone ought to secure these folks a movie contract.
Чё помочь?
Take a look at that impressive root ball. Now that's a comeback narrative in the making. This plant possesses some truly remarkable resilience and looks fully prepared to thrive.
Olay!
That was undeniably a narrow escape, no two ways about it. It really just demonstrates that you should never underestimate the power or unpredictability of a tree, correct? The Reco RG80 transforms land clearing operations with its high-torque engine and meticulously engineered cutting head, addressing even the most stubborn stumps effortlessly. You can anticipate minimal ground disruption alongside maximum operational efficiency, a genuine marvel of modern engineering. Allowing the tree to remain might appear harmless initially, but its root system acts like a ticking time bomb. Those roots will inevitably invade the nearby crack, draw in moisture, expand, and eventually fracture the rock. We need to intervene now to prevent this. Cylindrical milling, an operation typically performed using a lathe, meticulously removes the outer sapwood and bark to shape a log into a perfectly smooth cylinder. Although visually appealing, this process exposes the inner heartwood to environmental elements, making it susceptible to fungal decay and moisture intrusion. Applying sealant and a proper finish is therefore essential to shield the wood from these potential threats. The Bell 8000 provides unparalleled power and exactness thanks to its 125 horsepower engine. It produces perfect firewood with every single cut. Witness the John Deere 1270G operating in the field. It's like surgical precision applied to forestry. Paired with the H4.25 processor, it effectively maximizes timber yield while simultaneously safeguarding the environment, fundamentally redefining sustainable forestry via cutting-edge engineering. These vehicles are not your standard pickup trucks. These heavy-duty machines are specifically constructed for navigating the most challenging terrain and carrying the heaviest loads, notable for their articulated design and potent hydraulic systems. Observe as the operator skillfully detaches the trailer, adjusts the supporting bunks, and loads each log with careful precision, ensuring optimal weight distribution for secure transportation.
And I thought it was going to be too big, but we don't want my husband getting fat, right? So we're going to make he's putting the strap up and over, and then we just dally. For those of you who don't know what dallying means, it's just wrapping in such a... Yeah. So instead of pulling sideways, this now pulls the root straight up.
That's it.
This serves as an ideal illustration of how modern technology can elevate traditional craftsmanship. While the CNC machine guarantees accuracy down to the millimeter, it's the artisan's inherent design sensibility that truly distinguishes the piece. The outcome is a cutting board that transcends mere function, becoming a genuine work of art. This particular trucker, he could have practically authored the manual on transporting oversized cargo. For him, this challenging task was essentially just another routine day on the job. The Track Artilio ST-130 furnishes unmatched power and precision, featuring a 1,300 millimeter blade, hydraulic lift capabilities, and remarkably effortless loading. It represents the ultimate sawmill choice for dedicated, serious woodworkers. Have you ever witnessed anything quite like this before? I'm truly impressed. This excavator performs like a lumberjack enhanced with technology. Utilizing that incredible splitter attachment, bam, you get instant firewood. Just consider the immense amount of time this saves. That's the definition of working smarter, not harder. This is a glimpse into the future of forestry technology. Unloading operations made remarkably effortless. This specific machine's single-motion operational design significantly boosts productivity, while its versatile gripper options allow it to handle all manner of cargo types with absolute ease. Within Belgium's dense forest environments, the HSM 208 tractor truly excels. Thanks to its robust frame and notably oversized tires, it confidently navigates difficult terrain and transports massive logs without struggle. All right, folks, That pretty much wraps things up for this particular project. Always remember, the secret to achieving clean, precise cuts lies in using a sharp blade and maintaining a steady hand. Consistent practice leads to perfection.